Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadian arkanta siteng balakotno kajing aipor jongki bor penyak distrik ya ke HYC bansong ha kajaka penyang kali kepadan hapersha ke BSNL. Ki polit kanong ba asilong kilara no yakini borok kitkhot jong ke HYC bat penkarya no pat cakawai pat kajaka. Katkum kajing aibor na ka office jong Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Councils District. La aipor yakini ka sengtang hadu kapor sau bujijan miet. Bansong ha kani jaka Henry andalapoi kani kaporu amsem ladan bawan ban penthot yakini kajing yasong chatngan. Henry dai hadu kapor Henry steng janmien baki pulet kelawan poi hakini kajaka hapok kajing alam jung SP batrano ya borok kini kitkhot jong ke HYC ban penkarya no iki sakawai pat kajaka.
No ILP! No rest! No ILP! No rest! No ILP! No rest! No ILP! No rest! Bukul! Down now! Bukul! Down down! Bukul! Down down! Alaka jongkari, biar di bukul sama kari. Horkit orang ya kari lom joni, medang di doa mender sisi.
Discipline, not like this. Don't jump in the bus. Don't jump inside the bus.
No surrender! No surrender! No surrender! No surrender! No surrender! No ILP! No rest! No ILP! No rest! No ILP! No rest!
The permission was given to them for this hunger strike on the 7th, and permission was not given for the tomorrow, that is on the 8th. So we cannot allow them to continue till tomorrow. Secondly, the thing is at night it becomes a problem. In case if anything is to happen to them, then it will become a problem here. And we cannot allow this hunger strike to continue at night because monitoring will also become a problem. And it is near daytime, yes, we are allowed this hunger strike, but so near to assembly, this is an additional secretariat parking lot. We cannot allow them to continue this hunger strike at night. No, right now we are just removing them so that they will not create any more problems here. So then we'll take a call later on as to if further action is to be taken.
So tomorrow they cannot hold any hunger strike?
No, tomorrow they cannot. Because
day
tomorrow,
after?
Yes, day after when there is no assembly, yes, we have allowed them. So, but when the assembly session is going on, during that time we cannot allow. The reason is because we anticipate a lot of law and order problems. If you remember, during the last assembly session without permission, they had gone and marched to assembly and created some protests in front of assembly also. So, this kind of things we cannot allow.